Hey everyone, my name's Jonathan, and welcome to the M Global Services channel. Today, we're going to dive into some benefits of third-party maintenance, or TPM. To stay informed on IT maintenance and support tips, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Now, let's take a look at some advantages third-party maintenance can bring to your business. Number 1, superior service. Don't you want a steak for the price of a hot dog? Of course you do! Well, that same concept applies to third-party maintenance support you'd receive through M Global Services and other TPM providers when compared to OEMs.
Yep.
A lot of benefits of third-party maintenance are actually based on the business approach. TPM providers focus on customer service, while OEMs focus on hardware sales and making new technology. Number 2, it's all about the money. You'll definitely save money when you go with a third-party maintenance provider for your hardware support, and it's not just because the contract is less expensive. Some TPM providers, like M Global, create flexible contracts tailored to fit your budgets and needs. If you have devices at the end of their service life, TPM providers can keep providing support until you're ready to upgrade. Number 3, consolidate and simplify. We're all about simplifying your hardware maintenance. We can merge all your current contracts across manufacturers into one contract with one expiration date. But that's not all.
Oh my.
We also streamline the escalation process. OEMs usually have a pretty complicated process, and going through each step takes time. People working on your service ticket might not even be familiar with your environment, devices, or site access. But our escalation process is built in. At the start of a service ticket, subject matter experts are copied on all communications. That way, they'll be in the loop all the way through the ticket. We make sure our clients never feel like just another number. Number 4, honesty is always the best policy. At M Global, we're passionate about bringing honesty and transparency to the TPM industry. A lot of the time, clients aren't given the info they need to fully understand the contract they're signing, and their expectations don't match the service they get. One of the benefits of working with us is that we'll always be straight with you. We want you to ask us questions before you sign. Ask us to define our SLAs, about the expertise of our engineers, about our parts stocking strategy, and even ask if you can take our services for a test run. We'll always give you an honest answer. Better service that costs a lot less is pretty hard to pass up. Saving money may be the main benefit that draws people in, but our customer service is what keeps people happy year after year. If you want to take advantage of these benefits, give M Global Services a call or fill out a quick form through the link in the description below. Thanks everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more IT solutions and money-saving tips. And if you ever have a question or need help with a maintenance problem, don't worry, we got you.